If there's one thing every gardener dreams of, it's stepping outside to see branches bending under the weight of juicy tomatoes, peppers bursting with color, and fruit trees producing like never before. Over the years, I've tried countless fertilizers, store-bought liquids, fancy organic boosters, and everything in between. Some worked, many didn't. But last season I stumbled upon something so simple, so powerful, and best of all, absolutely free, that it completely transformed my garden. This DIY zero-cost liquid fertilizer didn't just improve my plants, it made them explode with fruits. And the best part? You can make it at home using everyday garden waste. Welcome to Soil Sage Chronicles. Let's dig in. The key is not just making the liquid, but using it strategically. For soil drench, I dilute the liquid at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water, and water it directly at the base of my plants every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. This feeds roots and boosts microbial life underground. For a foliar spray, for a quick nutrient hit, especially during flowering, I strain the liquid extra fine and spray it onto leaves in the early morning or evening. The nutrients are absorbed rapidly through leaf pores, giving plants a noticeable perk-up within days. And for seedling boost, I dilute even further, 1 to 20, and water seedlings gently. It helps establish strong roots early without chemical burn. Last summer I tested this liquid on 1 row of cherry tomatoes and left another row as a control with only compost. The difference was shocking. The DIY liquid-fed plants flowered earlier, produced 40% more fruits, and stayed productive for weeks longer into the season. My peppers became so heavy with fruits that I had to stake them twice. Even the cucumbers, notorious for needing rich feeding, thrived without a single store-bought input. The most beautiful part? I didn't spend a single shilling. This method isn't just effective, it's eco-friendly. By recycling kitchen scraps and weeds, we reduce waste, cut costs, and close the nutrient loop right in our gardens. You're not relying on synthetic fertilizers that degrade soil life over time. Instead, you're building a living system that gets better every season. Experienced gardeners often talk about feeding the soil, not the plant. This liquid does exactly that, revitalizing your soil biology while giving plants an immediate feast. Through trial and error, I've learned a few tricks that make this DIY liquid even more powerful. Variety matters. Mix greens and browns for a balanced brew. All banana peels and no greens can lead to imbalances. Avoid anaerobic rot. If it smells like sewage, add some dry leaves or stir more often to rebalance. Use promptly. Once strained, use within a week for maximum microbial activity. Store smart. If you must store, keep it in a shaded, cool place with a loosely fitting lid. I can't emphasize this enough. You don't need expensive fertilizers to get jaw-dropping harvests. This zero-cost DIY liquid has become a core part of my gardening routine because it works, season after season. If you're serious about growing healthier, more productive plants naturally, give this a try. Start small, observe, and adjust. Your plants will tell you everything you need to know. And if this resource helped you, please subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles on YouTube and share this article with a fellow gardener. Let's spread the word that thriving gardens don't have to cost a fortune. They just need a bit of knowledge and a bucket of scraps. Happy gardening, your friend at Soil Sage Chronicles.